To restore a database using SQL Server Management Studio, first thing we need to do is connect to our server, and then we'll right click on databases and select restore database, and our source, we're going to find it on the device. We're going to browse for the backup file, that the database we're trying to restore. I will select it and click OK. In this window down here, we can rename the database. This will be the only time we'll have the opportunity to rename it. So if we wanted to rename it, you would enter that in here. The next thing we need to do is relocate all files. We're going to check the box there, and we'll click OK. And the database was restored successfully. Now the next thing we need to do is to open up the Crow's Nest database utility, and we need to find our database, and we need to update the database.